All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our malaria TensorFlow callbacks module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, I did inform you guys that we had a bug in our code, and I was able to find it by looking at that section of code that we had commented out and going over it piece by piece. So what I found, let me go back so I can actually show you what it looks like. So it was this piece of code. Hold on. Everything's running slow now for some reason. Okay, with this piece of code here, everything commented out. So first and foremost, I had everything uncommented out at once when I tried to run it initially, and which was my mistake because these two pieces of code are exactly the same code. It's just that one was false and one was true. Now remember that the false version of the code erases everything that's inside of a file and then prints the new file that we have going to save. This one here actually appends whatever new file that we have to the previous file. So this one erases it and adds a new one, and this one just appends a new one to what's already there. And I was actually trying to run both of them at the same time, so that was the issue. So I just commented one out, ran it, and then uncommented it, and ran the other one. So let me show you. I did run everything already with that one, and we did generate our log. We were supposed to generate the log CSV. Let me see if I can get and find it in here for you. So this is the there it is. I moved my mouse too quick and it jumped off the screen. It is here. So this is the file we generated, the log CSV. So you can see here, this is the log. It's epic, area under curve, binary accuracy, false negative, false positive, all of our attributes. And this is the first time we ran it here as false. So you erased everything that would have been in the file if the file was here, but it was blank, so we'd have to worry about that. And this is the file that we got. And then we ran it as true. So instead of erasing what was here, the true just appended all the new stuff to the existing file. So yeah, we got everything up and running, and we finally got everything working properly the way it should. It was my mistake. I should have been paying attention to what I was doing, but I finally figured it out and we got things going. So yeah, that was the problem. We were trying to run the same code with just different aspects of it at the same time, the false and the true at the same time. So we just did one at a time and everything worked properly. So that was that. And we I don't know why I closed that out. 1 second. Let me get that back up. So that was that, and we were able to get that done and move forward. So yeah, and then we did take a lot of notes today with the early stopping. So that was all of this here, and we actually got into some early stopping. I'm not gonna read over that right now because it is a lot of reading, and we did start writing the code to implement it here. This is the mock code here. Let me go up and show you where we're gonna implement it. We're gonna actually put that here inside this code here. We created a variable for it, the ES callback. ES obviously stands for early stopping. Underscore callback equals early stopping. So tomorrow we'll be going over this. I'll run it tonight just to get it ran, and then I'll read over exactly what's going on so we can just do everything all at once. We can read over everything and then actually have the code to look at while we do that. So yep, I'm happy to inform you that things are back on track. I was able to find a bug, like I said. If I don't get the tools down pat, just if I don't get the tools down pat right off the bat, at least I'm going to be a debugging machine. I'm going to know how to debug whatever is out there. But yeah, of course, I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.